In this video, I'll show you how to invest in JEPI on Robinhood for monthly income step by step. If you're interested in an investment that has historically made monthly distributions, JEPI is one option you may want to explore. Start by opening the Robinhood app and signing in to your account. Tap the search icon and type JEPI into the search bar, then select it from the results to open its information page. Before investing, review the fund's overview, recent performance, holdings, distribution history, and expense ratio so you understand how it works. When you're ready, tap the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest or choose the number of shares if that option is available. Carefully review your order details, including the estimated cost, then confirm your purchase by following the on-screen prompts. After your order is completed, open your portfolio to make sure JEPI appears in your holdings. You can track its performance, monitor future monthly distributions if declared, and review your account activity whenever payments are credited. Consider checking your investment regularly and adding more over time if it aligns with your financial goals. Keep in mind that distribution amounts are not guaranteed and can change, so it's important to do your own research before investing and only invest money you're comfortable putting at risk. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.